Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. So first of all, open the Facebook application in your device and tap on this profile picture in the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and go for this settings and privacy. Then tap on this settings. Scroll down again and under your information tap on this download your information. Tap on this continue. Then tap on this download or transfer information. Choose the account for which you wish to recover your messages and tap on next. Now tap on this specific type of information. Select what type of information you want to download. We want to download these messages, so select only messages. Tap on this next. Now tap on this download to device and go for next. For the date range, you can select a specific date or tap on this all time. Make sure to select HTML format. For media quality, you can select medium. Now tap on this create files, and now as you can see, you have to wait for some times. To this process may take 2 to 3 hours depending on the size of your data. Once the process is complete, your file will be created, and after that you can easily download your file. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.